Is it time to buy or sell quantum computing stock? In this video, we are delving deep into quantum computing. Our initial report was published on our website on the 30th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked quantum computing as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.77. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this period. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 127.13% since we first designated quantum computing as a buy candidate 36 days ago. This results in an average return of 3.53% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, suggesting a further rise is likely. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 146.33% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging from 93.91% to 198.41%. Examining the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 77.99%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance might vary from negative 19.38% to positive 209.16% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this would translate to a future price between $15.45 and $59.27. Our latest daily update for quantum computing includes the headline, High Volatility in Quantum Computing Inc. Stock Price on Monday, which ended trading at $19.17. The Quantum Computing Inc. stock price gained 10.87% on the last trading day, Monday, the 30th of June, 2025, rising from $17.29 to $19.17. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 12.46%, with a low of $17.14 and a high of $19.28. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a 14.93% gain on the last day. Trading volume decreased by 13 million shares, with a total of 32 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $610 million and 16 cents. It is important to consider that decreasing volume amid rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $27.15, while the lowest was 35.5 cents. Currently, the price is 29.39%, or $7.98, below the 52-week high of $27.15, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Quantum Computing Inc., known by its ticker QUBT, is drawing attention as analysts suggest the stock may be on the brink of a significant breakout, alongside its peers such as IonQ and D-Wave. Recently, QUBT completed a private placement of common stock that raised $200 million, enhancing its cash position to over $350 million. This financial boost positions the company favorably for ongoing innovation and growth, which could enhance investor confidence in the short term. However, the stock has recently experienced volatility. Analysts point out that while interest in quantum computing remains robust, the sector has undergone sharp price fluctuations, with QUBT even facing a substantial sell-off of nearly 10% in a single trading session. This volatility can create uncertainty for investors, who may be cautious given the mixed opinions regarding the industry's future direction. Long-term prospects seem promising, as QUBT has established key partnerships, including collaborations with NASA and a new photonic chip foundry, which validate its technological framework. Nonetheless, investors should remain aware of the risks associated with its speculative nature. such as minimal revenue generation and high cash burn rates. Balancing these factors will be crucial for those contemplating an investment in QUBT as it navigates both its growth potential and the inherent risks of the quantum computing industry. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 15th of April, 2024, it was reported that Ascendiant assigned QUBT a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned quantum computing stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated this stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for quantum computing. There are mixed signals in the stock today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 16th of June, 2025, and so far it has fallen nearly 10%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. QUBT Inc. The stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. There is also a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, there will be some support from the lines at $17.70 and $14.16. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 10 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 174 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 37 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we notice short moving average, sell signal from 43 days ago, long-term moving average, buy signal from 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for quantum computing. QUBT Inc. identifies support from accumulated volume at $18.97. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, reflecting high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is considered very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.14 between its high and low, which amounts to 12.46%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.70%. Before we dive into the potential good trading levels for quantum computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 30th of September, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for quantum computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for quantum computing is at $19.79. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, quantum computing encounters its first support level at $18.97. If this support level holds, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for quantum computing from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Baimler Christopher, who bought and sold 351,152 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 23.011. In total, insiders purchased 59,270,819 shares and sold 4,162,921 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $18.17, which represents a decline of 5.24%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been indicated by a pivot top identified 9 days ago. Is quantum computing stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Quantum Computing Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of July, we expect quantum computing to open lower by approximately 641 tenth-thousandths of a dollar, starting at $18.53. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.